How to use codes in Project Polaro. First things first is head directly to roblox.com and you do make sure that you log into your account. And once you're here, on the search experience bar, all you have to do is to type in Project Polaro. Now make sure that you're currently or you will choose on the specific link in which you're correcting or you're joining the correct experience from Project Polaro. Because upon searching it on Roblox search bar, you will be seeing a bunch or multiple results for Project Polaro. Now, using and entering a code is very easy. All you have to do is just go to your bag or go navigate directly to your settings once you're currently on the experience and tap in on redeem codes. Now, it's going to be depending on what codes you're using. So, say for example, you're using a code for an accessory to your hair, like a cap. So, once you have redeemed that code, just head directly to your inventory to make sure that you have successfully keyed in the code. That's it, that's how you use codes in Project Polaro.